Hello, this is Barry and my two daughters.
Hello, I will be controlling the Coco 3. Hello.
Here we have something I wrote software for called a Coco Flash. In this flash ROM cartridge we currently have 29 programs stored. However, we can contain up to 2,000 4K games at once. The size range for these programs can be from 2K to 256K per program. Although at the current time the largest program is 128K that goes into a cartridge. For more room in this device, we included the capability to have multiple pages of games or disk operating systems. The way this can be achieved is you press N followed by Enter on the keyboard, then you move to the next page. Then you can press P followed by Enter to go to the previous page. To launch a game or disk operating system, you simply need to type the number of the program on the list and then press Enter. Note, you do not need to be on the same page as the program to launch it. An example of a game we have stored here is Arkanoid, which is a 32K game. Arkanoid functions the same way as the actual cartridge when it's launched from the Coco Flash. Now, to reset the game, you simply briefly press Reset and do not hold it down. The Coco 1 and 2 computer, this can be used to switch the colors red and blue on some games. We're using a Coco 3 and this is a Coco 3 game, so this isn't necessary, but I still just wanted to demonstrate how the short reset works and keeps you in the same game. Please press Y so the game can continue. So we're going to briefly look at the demo here for Arkanoid as it goes into its demonstration screen. I'll let it run for a little bit so you can see that the game is working. I'm not actually going to play the game. This is not a gameplay video. But once it comes up, there it goes. So now to return to the Coco Flash menu, we're going to press and hold the reset button down for over 2 seconds. When we do that, the red light on the Coco Flash cartridge flashes. Once it flashes, you can release the button and it should return you to the main menu on the Coco Flash. Our largest game that we store in this cartridge, which I believe is number 27, is a game called Robocop, which is 128K. Note that all other cartridge flash ROMs can only contain up to 8 games, and typically they have to be 16K or smaller. So we're going to watch the Robocop demo here for just a moment. The Coco Flash menu is actually written in BASIC. So we're going to return back to the main menu and show you that once you press break on the menu screen, you can see the code used for the menu program after my daughter here typed list. The software to customize the menu and write the basic program into the cartridge is included with the Coco Flash. The Coco Flash can also be used to run DOS ROMs, such as what I'm showing you here, which is DriveWire HDB DOS. We're using DriveWire, which is a program that is available for the color computer, runs out of a cartridge, to access hard drive information on another computer. And from there you can use DriveWire to load other software, disk images, etc. Well, this is the end of our video, so I'm going to say goodbye now, and everybody else will say goodbye.
Bye. See ya.
Hope you enjoyed our demonstration of the color computer Coco Flash cartridge.